Brayden playing in the rain with Daddy.
We're playing in the rain.
This is hysterical. What are you doing? It's raining out, buddy. What are you doing?
We're playing in the rain.
That is wild, Kimmy. He's gonna get sick.
I know.
No, he's not gonna get sick.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's too warm out. He'll be fine.
What are you doing? Are you getting wet? What's going on? Are you getting wet?
Camellia, come. Your dog's gonna
Brayden.
smell gross, dude.
Brayden,
Brayden!
you're in the worms.
She's not in the
Hey.
street, is she?
Ew! Is he sitting in worms?
Nope. No.
Cammy, come.
Come here, Cammy.
What are you doing?
Hey, Bubby.
What are you doing?
Are you having fun? Are you having fun in the rain? You're getting all wet. You're getting all wet,
excited.
buddy.
Stand up. Splash in the puddle. Splash, 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 splash.
Cammy, come. Cammy, look at Cammy.
Cammy, come!
Here, hold that. And this.
Camellia, come now.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Good girl. She's coming behind you.
There you
Got
go.
her.
Now he's splashing.
Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash.
What time did you go into the
Oh,
ER?
he wants to sit down.
In the morning?
Who's a big boy?
Afternoon.
Playing in the rain.
Oh
Cammy, come!
Daddy's getting too wet.
Right until you were.
All right, babe. Get him a towel so he doesn't get sick.
Who is soaking wet? Look at Mommy. It's soaking wet.